Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use PuTTY on Windows 11 to connect to the MicroPython read, evaluate, print loop on CyberBrick's Multi-Function Core Board. This is the first step when learning how to customize and program the Multi-Function Core Board. Let's start by downloading and installing PuTTY. You can find a link in the description. In your browser, type the URL to putty.org/index.html. Now click the Download PuTTY link. From here, select the version that matches your hardware, then download it and install it. Before we can connect, we need to determine the serial COM port used by the board. Let's open the Device Manager by right-clicking the Windows Start button and selecting it from the list. Expand the Ports option and note the COM ports already in use. If you don't see a Ports option, that just means you haven't connected to any COM ports yet. Connect the USB-C data cable between your computer and the board. Remember, you need a USB cable that is capable of transferring data. A charging-only cable will not work. While connecting the cable, watch for the new COM port to appear. Note the number. If you missed it, you can click on the Reset button on the core board itself to re-establish a new connection. Now we're ready to connect. Next, we'll launch the PuTTY app. With Session selected on the left, select the Serial Radio button. Then enter the COM port the USB cable is connected to. The Multi-Function Core Board uses a baud rate of 115,200, so we'll enter that for speed. Now under Connection, select Serial. Add your COM port here in the serial line to connect to text box. Data bits should be 8, stop bits should be 1, parity and flow control should be none. Now click the Open button to establish the serial connection. Your PuTTY terminal should look something like this. Press Ctrl-C and you should get to the REPL prompt, which is identified by these 3 greater than symbols. Let's type a print function and pass the string hello world to it. The core board prints our string to the console. There you have it. Stay tuned for future videos and deep dives into programming CyberBrick's Multi-Function Core Board.